Hello, my name is Martin, and in this video I will introduce you to iSpis, Information System for Debt Recovery. It's a professional and extended system, and in this short video I will show you only its basic features and how to load a group of cases, how to bulk send notifications, how to process a phone call, or to record a payment schedule. We'll start with requesting a demo access. We'll complete the form, and in a moment you will be sent a link to access the system. After login, on the left we see a menu to control the system. In the Settings section, we can, for instance, set the environment language or create access accounts for other employees. The Case section is empty for the moment, but we can bulk import cases from a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. The spreadsheet format is not really restricted. You will find a detailed description in the documentation. In our example spreadsheet, we have a reference number columns with the case identifier, then a group and creditor we will create later in iSpis, the case category, the case initial status, the relation of the person to the case, the person's name, surname, date of birth, national identifier, address, email, phone number, and then the debt details, variable code, liability date, due date, and amount. There could be any other data in the spreadsheet entered into the case detail section to be used later in generated documents, for instance. Before importing the spreadsheet, we'll create a case group in the system. And another one. We'll also create the person of creditor and enter the details. We can import a spreadsheet with cases. The import takes a while. Through a spreadsheet, we can import cases, one or more persons connected with the case, or one or more debts. We can import the debt including any interest, fees, or fines. Through a spreadsheet, we can also import comments or tasks, but also bulk update details. The cases have been imported and we can do a random check. We have a case created. It has the required status. We have created the debtor person, the creditor person, as well as the actual debt. With a debt, we can also record, apart from the principal, all accessories, such as contractual fines, fees, or contractual or obligatory interest. And also all payments made. We can record them into the system manually through a bank statement or through a direct connection to the bank. In the Fields section, we have other information recorded for the case. All data of the case are labeled, and with the help of these labels, we can use the data in templates or when generating notifications or other documents. For instance, the debtor Dear Mr. or Miss field is automatically filled with the suitable title of the person, and the debtor full name field with the person's full name, etc. I will now show you how to create a template. Let's create a postal letter template. We'll call it and fill it with the following text. The text also contains labels or fields that have to be highlighted, so the system knows which information should be entered. The template system of iSpis is sophisticated, and apart from text field, a template can also contain math expressions, repeated sections, or conditional text. We will now test the template. We'll create a new message, choose where to send it, and then we select the template. As we can see, the person's title and name is already pre-filled. So we can send out our notifications in bulk. We can tick all cases and launch the bulk notification sending process. We can send notifications as a postal letter, email, or text message. With hard copy letters, the system generates PDF files that we have to print out and send manually. Or sending can be fully automatized by a link to a postal services provider that will take care of printing and posting. Similarly with the text messages, we can pick the service provider, so-called SMS gate. All cases or a group of cases can have a to-do note attached, for example when we need to phone the debtors. We'll select a bulk action, add a task, phone call with a low priority. We'll wait until the tasks are created. All tasks, including incoming emails from debtors, unpaired payments, and alike, are displayed centrally in the Inbox section. Individual employees can be given specific task types to work on. Let's get one task sorted. We'll phone the debtor. We can enter the phone call text, so-called call script, as an HTML form into the system to be completed by operator and the debtor during the phone call. Data entered by the operator are then recorded in a structured form, so we can use them later for statistics purposes. Let's say that we have agreed with the debtor on a payment schedule, namely 6 payments every 15th day of a month. The case status has been updated automatically. We can mark the task as done. We can also create a notification template that will be automatically sent to the debtor if a payment doesn't arrive. Let's create a new email template. We'll complete the email body text, we complete the email subject field and choose to send it automatically 1 day after the payment due date. Let's limit it to the case status, and we can also set a notification fee, for instance at a fixed rate of €20. Upon sending out the notification, the fee is recorded as another amount owed. This way we can complete other tasks, and then we are done. These were just the basic features. The iSpis system is very extensive. It can be adapted to your needs and linked to various third parties, such as postal service providers, phone gate, SMS gate, banks, debtor registers, court e-offices, etc. Don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to demonstrate the system capabilities in greater detail.